Well, my dear children, the refuges and water together play an important role in the digestion process. Okay, actually, the refuges are the main aid of the body weight management. It helps to avoid heart attacks and heart disorders. So you must keep along with our food items preparation refuges included. So let us see the definition of the refuges and the sources of the refuges. Definition of the refuges: they are also a kind of carbohydrates. They are also called as a kind of carbohydrates that helps our body to make well in digestion. The sources are the cereals, rice bran, rice, most probably raw, without multi-polished rice will have more containing of the rice bran. Whole grains, nuts, groundnuts, fruits and vegetables. And apart from that, different leafy vegetables like cabbage and some other leafy vegetables which are available. Anything which containing most rich source of refuges, fibrous content, it helps to digestion process in a smooth way along with the water. Otherwise, what will happen? Constipation is a common problem. Some of the children are facing difficulty at early morning. Otherwise, it is making a constipation to the body. So we cannot freely go to the stools at early mornings. So let us see the definition of the constipation. Constipation is a condition in which there is a difficulty in emptying bowels. Constipation is a condition in which there is a difficulty in emptying bowels. Actually, it occurs when bowel movements are less frequent in the stools, becomes difficult to pass it. That means sometimes if you forcefully apply the stools, sometimes it may light appearance of the blood and it is causing more pain. Suddenly, to avoid this, we must take sufficient fibrous mass every day in the form of refuges and sufficient water. As I mentioned previously, minimum per day we require to take not less than 8 to 10 glasses of water in our day to day. Otherwise, it causes more harm to the body in the digestion process. And even filtration, even kidney functioning also facing the difficulty. Okay, so to avoid that one, we must take more water, at least 8 to 10 glasses per day. Okay, let us see the small activity for conclusion. So as a part of the explanation, I said some of the fruits and vegetables having water, sufficient water, which helps in the digestion, I said. So how to prove it? With a simple activity that is presented in the textbook. See, some of the examples I wanted to show from the textbook. See, the examples of the fruits: orange, lemon, orange, pomegranate, banana, fibrous mass, grapes, apple. All these are fruits. Okay. Apart from that, vegetables and leafy vegetables, peanuts, all are having rich content of the fibrous mass. They are also called refuges or dietary fibers. So now final conclusion: how do you prove the water presence in the fruit or any vegetable? For that, I want to take a simple activity for understanding in a player method. All of you keep on watching. So for this activity, we require the materials: one qualitative tomato, knife and a plate. Okay, all of you observe carefully, my dear children. I wanted to show to all of you how to demonstrate it. Everybody know about it. This is a tomato I have taken. I wanted to prove it containing water. Of course, by seeing we can understand, but how it is helping and how can we guess it? The water which is presented inside with a simple activity. Let us see. First of all, after taking this tomato, weight with the help of weighing machine. Approximately, see the size of this, around 50 to 100 grams. So for example, 50 to 100 grams. Now I wanted to cut it into the small pieces. Any number of pieces that your wish. 1, 2. See how many you want, you can cut it. See, all of you observe clearly, some water mark is coming outside after cutting. So after cutting all this, okay, again I have taken this plate and kept in veranda where the sunlight is focused more and more. After one day, 1 or 2 days, again I have to taken these slices. When I wanted to weigh it, what is the weight of that? Say previously, before slicing the tomato, say for example, the weight of the tomato is 50 grams. Now after slices, after drying under the sun, 1 or 2 days after, when I try to weigh it, will you get it the same 50 grams of weight? All of you think and say answer. Yes, no. Why? What is the reason? How? This is not going to show an accurate 50 grams again. Where this weight is lost? How it lost? Think. So why I am telling all these things? I am expecting all of you try to creative, try to think in each and every fact in a serious manner, in a scientific approach. Then only you will become as a good professionals in the coming days. That is why I want to take the simple examples for the imagination to understand very clearly. So definitely after slicing under the dry, again I wanted to get it to the weighing. It will show around 25 to 30 grams. Where this 20 are approximately 30 grams weight loss. So it will be evaporated. Water will be evaporated during the concentration passes continuously the sun rays on the tomato. That means from this activity we can understand the tomato will have more content of the water. Similarly, you can take any other optional fruit or any optional such as even melons, like take lemon, or you can take watermelon, any fruit, and we can try to do such as small experiments. With that we can understand the finding, how we are going to finding the contents presented in the different food items, different contents presented in the food items. Well done children, and the next presentation I wanted to explain to you wonderful way in very interesting facts. Till then, keep on watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Good day.